Tell us about the troubles that you're running into. What is the problem, and how are you going to turn it around?
Well, we'll be reporting our numbers on 2017 today. 2017 was a good year for Merck. We performed well in a challenging environment. We met our targets for the year, and we are staying the course, and we will continue to drive our innovation strategy, growth strategies for our three businesses, for healthcare, for life science, and for performance materials. And we also announced today that 2018 is a year of transition towards profitable growth in 2019 and beyond.
Yes, good to have you on the programme, Stefan. Investors might want to see a little more on that profitable growth strategy then. How are you going to achieve that in 2019? Is this going to be driven by new drugs, or do you expect liquid crystals and displays to turn around?
We have also said that 2019 will be the trough year for our display business. We expect growth in healthcare, new drugs launches. We see that our life science business is performing very well, consistent growth above the market, and we are also the profitability leader in that industry.
How would you respond if you start to see a trade war picking up, if you start to see tariffs on products that you need to sell in the U.S.?
Well, first of all, we have as many employees in the U.S. as we have in Germany, about 10,000 people. We manufacture a lot in the U.S. Most of our life science products are being made in the U.S., so we are not so much concerned about the topic as such. In general, however, we think that trade wars are always negative. There's never a winner. There can only be losers, and we are obviously very much in favor of free trade.
What is the most attractive option for you right now, Stefan, for the consumer health unit? Is it sale or is it partnership? And what's the stumbling block in trying to generate interest in it?
Yeah, Merck is a science and technology company, and all of our businesses are based on science and research. And we have a business-to-business type of a model in these businesses, be it in healthcare, in performance materials, or in life science. And consumer health is a business that has grown historically, that is performing very well. We have 8% growth in 2017 in the right growth markets. But in today's fully digitalized world, scale really matters, and this is why we announced that we would look into options for this business, and these options might be partnering, they might be selling. Right now we're in the process, and the process is well underway, and that's all I can say at this stage.
Stefan, let me ask you quickly about the liquid crystal business. Anna mentioned it already. You've said that you're against, obviously, a trade war, and I think most executives are. Most economists also think it's a bad idea. But what do you think about the prices on your competition coming in from China? Is there any concern about dumping, for example, in the liquid crystal business?
We're seeing more competition from China. I mean, the liquid crystal business will continue to be a profitable business, and within our within our performance materials business, we have different types of businesses. We have businesses for the semiconductor industry, for the automotive industry, for the display industry, etc. So we're seeing more competition in China. We see that there here and there are government subsidies for local products. We think that it's in the best interest of Chinese panel manufacturers, display manufacturers, to use high-tech products, and so far the innovation in that field has come from us.